Right guys, I'm going to show you about how to install a Power Commander 3 on a GSXR 750. Now what I've already done to save a bit of time is cut all the the usual simple stuff out. I've now threaded the cabling through underneath the bodywork, attached the ground wire to the negative pole of the battery, chased the wire through, and I've attached onto the injection plugs, 4 of them, one there, one there, one over here. I'll go around the other side and show you that one. Number 3 and number 4. You've also got dummy blanks as well, which go plug into the stock injector cables as well. Now one thing you do also have to do is attach the throttle response sensor, which is over here. It's a real bugger to get to, I have to be honest. I've had to take off the panels and fairing because it lives there. I've taken the grommet off the cable, the wiring loom, popped that off, and then I've actually unscrewed the throttle positioning sensor off and pulled it back through, and it's right here. And I've now used my wire tapped into the correct wire, which is a pink with black stripe cable. I've also taken this one off, but that's specifically for ease of access. So that's all been done. One other thing you also need to do on a GSXR 750, 1000 whatever, 600 as well, is disconnect the oxygen, the O2 sensor, which is on the other side. I'll go around and show you, but you can see it there. So disconnect that, and I've actually made my own O2 sensor blank, and I'm just going to attach that, and that will allow the bike, or tell the ECU, to run very rich. Right, so now I've connected everything's back in place. TPS sensor, the wire tap, you can just see it there, oxygen sensor over there, all the injection plugs are on, and there's the PC3. What I'm going to do now is start it up and show you that it's all going as it should be. Right, so now you can see no F1 light, 36 degrees